Hello friends, hi, this is Bhaskar. Today I am going to show you how to make Moroccan chicken. To make Moroccan chicken, the ingredients we need: chicken, thigh pieces with skin, onions, 2 to 3 onions, large onions, 10 garlic cloves, and dried apricots. And there we have Moroccan spice. I am going to give you the tell you how to do that spice in the description. And there we have tomato puree of 1 cup. So friends, first heat up the pan and add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. I am using a steel pan here. If you are having a non-stick pan, the large one, you can use it. Let the oil heat up. Okay, while heating up the oil, now we use this Moroccan spice to marinate this chicken. Now the oil got heated up and we will add this chicken into the pan. Okay, now let the chicken be fried. After 5 minutes, we will turn it to the other side. Okay friends, now turn the chicken to the other side. Okay, now once again turn the chicken. Okay, let it cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, after frying the chicken, add the sliced onions. And stir fry it until it gets the golden brown. Okay, now the onions were turned to translucent. Now add the crushed garlic. And let it be cooked for under 10 minutes. The onion should be turned to the golden brown. Now the chicken and the onions are cooked. Now we will transfer them to casserole. Okay. Now grease your casserole with oil. Okay, now add the tomato puree into the casserole. Before adding into the casserole, just warm a little bit this tomato puree before adding. Just add a layer of it. After adding the layer, transfer everything into this casserole. If you are having a clay casserole, it's really good, and now I'm using a stone casserole here. I'm not having a clay casserole. Don't leave this thing, this is very tasty. Okay. Now add the remaining tomato puree. And also the remaining Moroccan spice. And stir it well. Here the salt was already mixed with the Moroccan spice, so I'm not adding any of the salt now. It will be completely enough in the spice. If you think this is too thick, add some water. Okay, just a little. Make sure that every chicken piece is drowning in that tomato puree. Okay. After putting the casserole onto the stove, put the lid on and leave it for 4 hours. Super aroma. For now it's all been almost 2.5 hours done now. Still there is 1.5 hour left. Okay, let's not move it and let's close the lid. Okay, now it's almost done. 3.5 hours. At this stage, add the dried apricots. Okay, now put the lid on and wait for another half an hour. The Moroccan chicken will be ready. Okay, now the 4 hours are complete. We're gonna check it now. The smell is superb. Okay, now let's transfer it to the plate. Okay. Transferring it to the plate. Now on the top part, just garnish it with the coriander. And yes, now our Moroccan chicken is ready, and it is good with rice. You can have it with rice and any other combinations you like.